Presenting to you the late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to the channel, welcome to the new video. Today we're doing Cardano because we already did one Cardano and we said that this line over here like 0.72, that's some kind of resistance is gonna go up there. It went up there, then it resisted, then it went above it, and now it's in this part over here. So in this video we're gonna check out what's this part telling us. Is it gonna go up, is it gonna go down, or what's the deal here, right? So let's get into the charts and start charting, start looking at this part over here. So we're gonna start with the top over here. We're gonna change this color to a very nice color, blue, because why not, and say this is the top. So we're gonna, first of all, we're gonna figure out why did it stop here, like what's happening in this area over here. We're gonna go first to the monthly, and I'm gonna explain to you that 0.72 line, that was the previous monthly close, all-time high, right, close, and we went above there. So word of advice, if we close below this on the monthly chart now in February, it doesn't look good. Now if you stay above it on the monthly, it looks good. Now we're gonna check the weekly chart, and on the weekly chart here we have important top over here, that's right over here. Now I'm gonna change this line to yellow because yellow is nice. And there is one more top we have to take into consideration before we get into all-time highs, right, and uncharted territory, price discovery territory. But these two tops, the blue line is our price line, and the yellow line is a weekly and daily all-time highs closes, and these are really important. So we're gonna talk about that. Where's the price? Here's the price. So let's zoom in on this a little bit here now. Okay, so as you can see here, when price was when it broke 0.72 line, it started going up really hard, and at weekly close it got rejected. The second time got rejected, third time, fourth time, fifth time, and then it it couldn't break the weekly close. It could not break the weekly close, and now it's in this part over here. On the weekly you can see it also, that went all the way up there, and now it's trying to get above the 0.97 line. The weekly close is still cannot get there. So there's some kind of pattern for me here. It looks like some kind of triangle, and we're gonna see what the triangle is telling us, like what can happen. Also we're gonna look at some moving averages and see if we can get any feel for what it is. But basically these are the two important resistances right now, 0.79, and once it breaks it, it's gonna go all the way up to 0.114. That's around 20-30%, I think, from the 70% from the from resistance to resistance, right? But if it breaks resistance right now or later, I can't tell you before the price gets up here, but once it gets up here, start rejecting or something like that, we will know. But right now the most interesting part is over here and what's happening over here. So we're gonna do this on the 4-hour list, start drawing some triangles over here. Let's use the magnet on this one, and there are ways you can draw this, right? You can do something like this, perhaps. I like this triangle. It's nice triangle because the bottom closes, and then there are here some kind of tops. It seems okay to me. Maybe could use some other tops, but it's nice triangle. Let's go what we got, right? So basically what we can do here is extrapolate from the top over here down to the line, and then see if the price breaks sometime soon. It's gonna go to around what's that? Let's do it like this. No, not this one. I want to put this one over here, like see something 1.1, 1.2. But the wicks are gonna hit 114 or something like that. But that's at least the what are you gonna call it? The price target. If it breaks on the upside, and of course if it breaks on the downside, we got this level down here at, what's that, at 0.64. So I'm not very bearish on this right now. I don't think it's gonna go down. I have more faith that it will break the weekly close. here at 0.97, and it will go all the way up to 114. But that it's not even assumption, it's more like gut feeling, you know. I don't want anybody to trade on their gut feeling, but that's what my gut feeling telling me now. So now we're gonna look at some moving averages. There's also other ways to draw this, like maybe something like this. This line over here also says that maybe we are starting to getting the breakout, you know, how you draw the triangle, and then you know, the lines get a bit different, but still the same, you know. It depends on where you break it, you know, it's in the ballpark area up there, so you understand. So okay, let's just put this back where it was, like this, something like this, yeah, okay. And no, that was like something like this, and it looks nice. So basically, remember, this is the line to break. Let's put numbers on that as well. 0.97, and top resistance I think we are gonna hit is 114. So now we're gonna look at the moving averages, and we're gonna start with this is 4 hourly, and 4 hourly, because we are getting into the triangle here at the end of the triangle. We are soon to be exiting this triangle over here, right? And as long as we keep above it, the 20 and the 50 moving average, because 50 moving average got a support here. This is the second time 50 moving average is supporting us. So on the 4 hourly, if we keep above the 50 moving average, the yellow line, this should actually break on the upside. If we start, if we get below the 50 moving average, chances are we might see some downtrend, but as long as we are above the 50 moving average, all good. Like over here, it closed above the 50 moving average, but on the next candle, like, it went down, it went right back above the 50 and 20 moving average, so that's good thing, right? Let's look at a daily. On the daily, the 20 moving average is all the way down here, but on the daily we are following the 10 moving average, not the 20 and 50 moving average, because this is in a fast climb, and you can see the 20 moving average, sorry, the 10 moving average is actually supporting the price right now in the triangle on the bottom side. So as long as on the daily it holds the 10 moving average, this should actually break on the upside. On the weekly, there's not much to say about it. So basically, we are in the triangle now. We got some kind of resistance at 0.97 and 114. Let's remove this, 114, and the moving averages are very bullish. Is showing us that the price should go up unless something changes and it starts falling below the moving average. There is one more thing I want to show you on the MACD right now, and that's that MACD is looking, it's I always forget this, it's converging together. It's not expanding, it's converging together. So it looks like we're gonna get a bearish cross, but you have to understand, if we get bearish cross, it can be just something like this over here. We got bearish cross on the MACD here on the daily, but the price actually it just moved sideways, right, until we got out and got bullish cross over here. And once we got the bullish cross, we just shot right up to the through the 0.72 target even, right? So here, whether we get the bearish cross or not, I don't think that matters that much. If you get bearish cross, you can expect more sideways movement, maybe waiting for the 20 moving average to pick up the with the price. You can see over here the down target. If it starts going down, it might actually just hit the 20 moving average and bounce on the 20 moving average, because that's the target from the triangle, right? But even if you get the bearish cross on the MACD, I'm expecting sideways movement and then up. So if we get bearish cross on the MACD, just wait for a bullish cross, and that should be good. And that's what I got for you for that. I thought the update should be pretty quick, because it's been a lot to talk about ADA. Now it's your turn to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and all that shebang. You know, that's your job. I did my job. Now it's your turn. It's your turn. Thanks for watching, guys. Today maybe another video a bit later about something else. Cheers, have fun, don't lose money, not financialize. You do you, I do me. You do your trades, I'll do my trades. My opinion only, and all of that. Say hello to wife and kids, man. Bye bye.